Did you know the Netherlands is one of the peaceful countries? Welcome to this little corner of Europe we're exploring today. The Netherlands, a land of canals, windmills, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. It's like stepping into a Vermeer painting but with stroopwafels. And if you're a first-time visitor, well, you're in for a treat. We're about to embark on a journey to discover 10 incredible destinations that truly capture the heart and soul of this remarkable country. So grab your wooden shoes, pack your sense of adventure, and let's get going. Our first stop takes us to Amsterdam, the vibrant capital of the Netherlands. Now, Amsterdam is a city that effortlessly blends its historic charm with a modern, cosmopolitan vibe. Think picturesque canals lined with gabled houses, world-class museums, and a buzzing nightlife scene. Start your Amsterdam adventure by getting lost in the Giethoorn neighborhood. This charming district is a labyrinth of narrow streets, quaint cafes, and independent shops. It's a great place to soak up the local atmosphere and maybe pick up a unique souvenir or two. But let's be honest, no trip to Amsterdam is complete without a visit to the Anne Frank house. This poignant museum tells the story of Anne Frank, a young Jewish girl who kept a diary while hiding from the Nazis during World War II. And speaking of museums, art lovers can't miss the Van Gogh Museum and the Rijksmuseum. The Van Gogh Museum houses the world's largest collection of works by the legendary Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. Be mesmerized by iconic masterpieces like Sunflowers and the Potato Eaters. Just a short walk away, the Rijksmuseum is home to Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer. If you're lucky enough to visit the Netherlands during springtime, a trip to Keukenhof Gardens is an absolute must. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors, millions of tulips bursting into bloom, creating a breathtaking spectacle that has to be seen to be believed. Located just a short hop from Amsterdam, Keukenhof is like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Stroll through meticulously designed gardens, each with its unique theme and charm. Every turn reveals a new explosion of color and fragrance. And it's not just tulips you'll find here. Hyacinths, daffodils, and other spring bulbs add to the symphony of scents and colors. Don't forget your camera, because Keukenhof Gardens provide endless opportunities for that perfect Instagram-worthy shot. Next up, we're traveling back in time to the charming village of Zaanse Schans. This open-air museum offers a glimpse into traditional Dutch life as it was centuries ago. The star attractions here are the iconic windmills. These majestic structures once played a vital role in Dutch industry, grinding grain, sawing wood, and even producing paint. Today, you can step inside some of the windmills to see how they work and learn about their fascinating history. But Zaanse Schans is more than just windmills. Explore charming wooden houses, traditional craft workshops, and even a working clog factory. Yes, you read that right. Watch as skilled artisans carve wooden shoes, or klompen, just like they did in the old days. Be sure to sample some delicious Dutch cheese at the cheese-making demonstration. Zaanse Schans is a true feast for the senses, offering a delightful blend of history, culture, and good old-fashioned Dutch charm. From the historic charm of Zaanse Schans, we now head to the modern metropolis of Rotterdam. Rotterdam is a city of striking contrasts, where cutting-edge architecture blends seamlessly with a rich maritime heritage. It's a city that constantly reinvents itself, and that's part of its unique appeal. One of Rotterdam's most iconic landmarks is the Erasmus Bridge, a marvel of modern engineering that gracefully spans the Nieuwe Maas River. For a truly unique experience, check out the cube houses. These tilted, yellow-painted houses are designed to resemble trees, creating a surreal and unforgettable cityscape. No visit to Rotterdam is complete without exploring the Marktthal, a vibrant indoor food market housed in an arch-shaped building. Here, you can tantalize your taste buds with a smorgasbord of international flavors and fresh local produce. Rotterdam is a city that will surprise and captivate you with its modern outlook and vibrant energy. Get ready to be enchanted by Giethoorn, a fairy tale village often called the Venice of the Netherlands. This idyllic village is like something straight out of a storybook, with its peaceful canals, charming thatched roof houses, and lush greenery. Here's the catch. Giethoorn has no roads. Well, almost none. The village is best explored by boat, gliding along the tranquil canals and soaking up the peaceful ambiance. Rent a small electric boat, it's easier than you think, and navigate the waterways at your own pace. As you drift along, you'll pass by picturesque gardens, charming bridges, and cozy cafes. Take a break from boating and explore the village on foot, strolling along the narrow footpaths and discovering hidden courtyards. Giethoorn is a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a place to reconnect with nature and experience the simple pleasures of Dutch village life. Our next stop takes us to Utrecht, a vibrant city that often gets overlooked by its more famous neighbor Amsterdam. But trust me on this one, Utrecht is a true gem, offering all the charm of Amsterdam without the crowds. At the heart of Utrecht lies the picturesque Uitgegracht, a canal lined with historic wharf cellars that have been transformed into shops, cafes, and restaurants. Find a table at a canal-side terrace and soak up the lively ambiance as you watch boats glide by. Dominating the city skyline is the Dom Tower, a towering Gothic structure that offers breathtaking panoramic views of Utrecht. Climb to the top if you're feeling energetic. The views are worth every step. Utrecht is also a city steeped in history. Explore the Museum Quarter, home to several fascinating museums including the Central Museum, which showcases Utrecht's art and history from the Middle Ages to the present day. With its charming canals, historic architecture, and vibrant cultural scene, Utrecht is a city that will steal your heart. Now we head to The Hague, the political capital of the Netherlands and a city of international importance. The Hague is home to the Dutch Parliament, the International Court of Justice, and numerous embassies, giving it a distinctly cosmopolitan atmosphere. One of The Hague's most iconic landmarks is the Binnenhof, a complex of historic buildings that houses the Dutch Parliament. Take a guided tour to learn about the Dutch political system and see the impressive Knights Hall. Art lovers won't want to miss the Maritime, a world-renowned museum that houses masterpieces by Dutch masters like Vermeer Rembrandt and Frans Hals. Make a beeline for Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring, one of the most famous paintings in the world. For a change of pace, head to Scheveningen, The Hague's seaside district. Stroll along the beach, breathe in the fresh sea air, and enjoy the lively atmosphere of this popular resort town. The Hague offers a fascinating blend of history, politics, and culture, making it a truly unique city to explore. Prepare to be awestruck as we journey to Kinderdijk, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's home to an iconic collection of 19 windmills. These majestic structures, dating back to the 18th century, stand as a testament to Dutch ingenuity and their ongoing battle against the water. The best way to experience Kinderdijk is by bike. Rent a bike and cycle along the scenic paths that wind their way through the windmills. For a different perspective, hop on a boat tour and admire these giants from the water. You can even step inside one of the windmills to see how it works and learn about the lives of the millers who once lived and worked here. As you explore Kinderdijk, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the Dutch relationship with water and their remarkable engineering feats. It's a place where history comes alive, and the beauty of the landscape will leave a lasting impression. Our next adventure takes us to the southernmost tip of the Netherlands, to the charming city of Maastricht. Maastricht is one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, with a history dating back to Roman times. This rich history is evident in its well-preserved architecture, charming squares, and labyrinthine underground tunnels. Start your exploration of Maastricht at the Vrijthof, the city's main square lined with historic buildings, cafes, and restaurants. It's a great place to soak up the lively atmosphere and enjoy some people-watching. Maastricht is also known for its excellent food scene. Indulge in local delicacies like zoervlees, a traditional sweet and sour stew, and vlaai, a delicious fruit-filled pie. For a unique experience, venture underground and explore the casemates, a network of tunnels that once served as a shelter during times of war. With its historic charm, vibrant cultural scene, and delectable cuisine, Maastricht offers a taste of the good life. Our final destination takes us off the beaten path to Texel Island, a hidden gem located just a short ferry ride from the mainland. Texel is a paradise for nature lovers, with its pristine beaches, rolling dunes, and abundant wildlife. Rent a bike and explore the island at your own pace, cycling along scenic trails that wind their way through picturesque villages and stunning natural landscapes. For a taste of the island's maritime heritage, visit Oudeschelde, a charming fishing village with a working harbor. Texel is also a haven for birdlife. Head to the Texel National Park, a vast nature reserve where you can spot a variety of bird species, including spoonbills, avocets, and oyster catchers. And no trip to Texel is complete without a visit to Eco Mare, a seal sanctuary where you can learn about these fascinating creatures, and even see them up close. Texel Island is the perfect place to escape the crowds, reconnect with nature, and experience the tranquility of island life. And there you have it, 10 unforgettable destinations that showcase the very best of the Netherlands. From the canals of Amsterdam to the windmills of Kinderdijk, from the tulip fields of Keukenhof to the beaches of Texel, the Netherlands has something to offer every traveler. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Dutch adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. And as always, happy travels, and I'll see you on the road.